Okay, so what we're looking at now in this unit is solving linear inequalities. Now, when we are solving inequalities, we're looking at really the same method as with regular equations, but there are a few important rules that we need to remember. And the first thing is that whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality sign is reversed. So it would change from less than to greater than, or vice versa. The other thing is, and this doesn't happen as often, but occasionally it does, that whenever we take reciprocals of both sides, which is to flip the fractions on both sides of the equation, or the inequality sign, then that also reverses the sign. So with this first example, we've got 2x plus 1 is less than 4. And we approach it the same way as we would as if it was 2x plus 1 equals 4. So we subtract 1 from both sides so that we're left with 2x is less than 3, and then divide both sides by 2. So then x is less than 3 over 2, or 1.5. Okay, so we've got a second example now. And in this one, we can see that we've got 3 minus 2x is less than or equal to 4. And we're going to get rid of the 3 first, so that we've got negative 2x is less than or equal to 1, because we've subtracted 3 from both sides. And then dividing by negative 2, so we've got x is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. You notice the inequality sign has reversed because we have divided by the negative 2. So our answer to this inequality is x is greater than or equal to negative 1/2. So we're going to now look at our third example. And our third example we can see is an algebraic fraction, so 2x plus 3 over 5 is greater than 3 minus 4x over 3 plus 2. And remember, we need to multiply throughout by our lowest common denominator, which is 15. So we do that for each of the terms, or each of the fractions in the inequality. That includes the 2 as well. So we can see that 15 is being multiplied by each of these. And then when we're doing that, we need to cancel. So our 15 will cancel with the 5, leaving us with 3. The 15 will cancel with the 3, leaving us with 5 on the next one. And of course, we can then work through and expand. So 3 times the 2x plus 3 gives us 6x plus 9, greater than 15 minus 20x plus 30. Always remember, every term must be multiplied. So now we can collect like terms, collect all our variables onto one side. So we're going to add the 20x to both sides. We've got 26x plus 9 on the left, and on the right we've now got 15 and 30 makes 45. Subtract the 9 from both sides, we're left with 26x is greater than 36, and then dividing by 26. So we've got x is greater than 36 over 26, or 18 over 13 when we simplify that down a little further. Okay, so x is greater than 18 over 13, or 1 5/13.